Hey family, I apologize for that. I think my internet connection got a little messed up, but I didn't blend it up yet. But if you are coming right back, we are making, I'm showing a quick recipe for walnut milk. It is an approved milk on the alkaline vegan spectrum if you are a student of or a follower of Baba Sabi. So far we have 1 cup of walnuts, 1 cup, 1 cup of walnuts, 1 cup, clumsy, 1 cup of spring water, and 3 ounces of organic blue agave for sweetener. If you don't want your milk sweetened, don't add the syrup. So now that we have all of that in there, we're going to get our handy dandy lid and blend it up. Again, I like to do this by the cup so I can control the amounts and the portions that I'm making, because I found that when I made it in a large batch, it would take a long time for me to finish it by my lonesome, and it would eventually spoil and be bad, and I don't like wasting stuff. So to eliminate that, just do it a cup at a time, see how much, and then go from there. We got a lid on here, and we're just gonna kind of mix everything up a first time, get everything crushed, kind of liquidy. It smells really good. And I do taste tests along the way, so if you remember this mug, it doesn't say anything anymore. I have to repaint it. But it says stay magic always. So let's taste it. And this is where you'd add more milk, or I'm sorry, if you'd want it a little thinner, you'd add some more water. If you want it sweeter, you'd add some more agave. If you want to make more, add more of all the above. Oh, that's so good. That is so good. I love walnut milk. How can you use this? You can definitely use it for teas. So as our tea again is steeping over here, I'll pour some splashes of some walnut milk in there. You can also bake with it. You can make I'll show that recipe, but I made the walnut cereal by Alkaline Vegan Mommy. So with the walnut cereal and the walnut milk, oh my god, it's so fire. So I think I'm looking for a jar to store this in right now. Perfect. So I'm just going to save it in a mason jar. Hello. Ooh, let me not mess this up. Celinda DLLC. Hey, boo. How are you? How are you feeling? Thank you for being here. Okay. So I'm going to show you how much the 1 cup makes. I mean, obviously it says a cup, but just to show you like the equivalent in a mason jar. And then if I want to make more, I'll make more. But I think that's perfect, because I don't want to use or make too much and not be able to, get to it in time. So that's it. Walnut milk, and then you just keep doubling and tripling for whatever size you want to make for your family or for yourself or your spouse or whoever. This is a great alternative, dairy-free, super quick and easy to make. 3 ingredients, 2 really, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you for tuning in. So much more coming on the way, and just stay tuned for Natural Lake Cafe. You don't want to miss this. It's gonna be really, really great. So Enjoy your day, go get your sunlight, drink your water, and never forget to stay magical always. Luna La Negra out.